Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add tables like that, for example, here to your Notion workspace and pages really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So as you can see, it is super simple, guys. Let me show you how to model or create a table like that and fill it with content. What you want to do, guys, is select your page inside your Notion workspace here on the left hand side and click where you'd like to place your tables. Let me click, for example, here, and after that simply give Notion the command / and then type in table or T for table or TA maybe, and select table from that drop down menu here, just like that. That is going to add a standard table like this. You may of course customize it according to your own imagination and taste by, for example, adding more rows and columns by clicking on that plus icon next to the given column or row, and here, just like that, and another one, and another column, and so on and so forth. And let me add also another row. You may also click on that arrow on that plus icon here in the bottom right corner to add both a new column and a new row at the same time. And last but not least, guys, you may also fill your table with content. So let me enter, for example, type in 1 here to fill that cell, then 2, then here an A, and so on and so forth, guys. So it's actually super simple. And last but not least, you may also adjust some things here or make some adjustments for a table. You may fit your table to the page width, for example, by clicking on that button, or enter these options here and enable a header row or header column, and so on and so forth, or click on these 3 dots here to duplicate the table, to delete it, to leave a comment, and so on and so forth, guys. So as you can see, no rocket science. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's call it a day here, and we'll see you in our next video.